episode, I'm going to tell you how you can increase your memory and rather you become a magician with a book where you say that you have read every page and every word of it and you just know thoroughly where which word comes in which particular page. For example, I have a management book here and I say that I know every word of it, rather, I've read it thoroughly. So, if you tell me what is the word that comes on page number so and so, this particular sentence or the from top, I'll be able to tell you. So, do you think you believe me? Well, with us in the last few episodes, you've seen that there's always a magic and there is a logic behind it. So let's now understand. So now which particular page I'm not going to tell you, but you are going to tell me which particular page and which particular sentence from the top. So take up any three-digit number. Uh, the only condition being that the difference between the first digit and the third digit is one or more. So take up any three-digit number. Now reverse the number. So for example, if your three-digit number were, let's say, 237, when you reverse it, you will get 732. Okay? So in my case, when I reversed, that number was larger. So I subtract the smaller from the larger number. So first step, take up a three-digit number where the first digit and the last digit have a difference of at least one or more. The second step is reverse the digits. Third step, subtract the smaller from the larger, whichever is. In my case, when I reversed it, that number was larger. So I would do a 732 minus a 237. In your case, suppose the first number was the larger, you take that minus the smaller one. You arrive at an answer. Again, it's a three-digit number. So that particular answer, now you reverse it. For example, if you have arrived at an answer, say 456, you reverse it, it becomes 654. Right? Now you add up the two numbers that you have finally arrived at. Got it? Super. So now whatever number you have got, the first three digits that you have. So remember you have a four-digit number, units place, tens place, hundreds place and the thousands place. So I'm asking you to take up the thousands, hundreds and the 10. The first three digits that you have there. That particular page, I'm going to find out and tell you what that particular word is, not the entire page. I'm going to talk about even the specific word. The units digit, so the page number is the first three digits that you've got. The units digit is the number of sentences from the top to that particular line. The word that you have got, the very first word on that line that you've got for the units place, that particular line is, in this page, I would say it is integrity. You want to make a check? Let me see. Are your first three numbers, that's the thousands, hundreds and tens place, 108? Gotcha. Am I right? Okay, let's take up 108 here. I've got page number 108. If all of you can see this in the camera, it's page number 108. And the word, or rather which comes in the ninth line from top, is integrity. Now, how do I do that? Because your number in the units column was 9, wasn't it? It is 1089. So we went to page number 108 and the ninth sentence from top. So let me count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And the first word there is integrity. Isn't that awesome? Do you think I have a fabulous memory? Well, I have the same memory that you have. It is just the magic trick with math. Because whatever number you take and then you reverse it, the step number 1, the number that you've taken, and you reverse it and you subtract the smaller from the larger number, you arrive at an answer. Again, you reverse that answer and you add, you will always arrive at this magical number 1089. It's a beautiful number. So you can take up any book and then go on to page number 108, and what comes in the ninth line, the first word or the last word or the entire sentence, or from the bottom of the page, the ninth line, you can just read. So you read that, you memorize that, and you go in front of the audience and say that, oh wow, I know this, and this is the word, and this is the sentence. They're going to be stunned. They're going to be amazed. And my God, do you have such a memory that you read a book and you can remember it word to word? Well, no, that's the trick. That's the math trick. I told you 1089 is a beautiful number. It's got, suppose you take up the tables of 1089. So this is what we have as the tables of 1089. It's so beautiful that you will see a pattern in this. I'm going to show it to you closer to the camera. But what I want you to understand is the number is such a magical number. It's not just one single thing in case of whatever we have done as a trick prior to what I'm giving you now. This is the second part of it, how beautiful 1089 is. When you have the tables written, you have the numbers that follow a certain pattern. You find that the thousands place and the hundreds place increase in number, incrementally, one after the other. So, for example, it will be 1, 2, 3, 4 till 9. I've taken up 9 into 1089. So, it comes till there. And you will see that the hundreds place again is increasing. It starts from 0. It goes on to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. The tens and the units place are really very interesting. They go in decreasing order. So it starts from 8, then it goes on to 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, etc. Similarly, the 9, it goes on from 9, 8, 7, 6. This is a fabulous, interesting model that you can try and work it out and see for yourself. So 1089, you'll have it as first one is 1 multiplied by 1089 remains 1089. 2 multiplied by 1089, you can see that I have used a different color to show you the thousands place, the hundreds, the tens and the units column. And you can see how beautifully it goes increasing order for the thousands and the hundreds place and decreasing order for the tens and the units column. This is the beauty of 1089. Are there any other numbers that follow certain patterns? I would like you to do a little bit of a research and come back and write in the comments section. So today we had the fun with the magical number 1089, and make sure to pick up a nice thick book and make sure you see what is there on page number 108 and then the ninth sentence. Or you could even say, I'm going to take a page 108 and the ninth word on, starting on that particular page would be. So you can try out various combinations and do share your experiences with us. Thank you.